Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover SolarEdge Home Hub Inverter and Home Battery commissioning via SetApp. After logging into SetApp, the latest firmware will be downloaded to your phone. When prompted, scan the QR code on the side of the inverter, move the toggle switch to the P position for 2 seconds to enable Wi-Fi connection for SetApp. SetApp will update the firmware on your inverter and take you to the main commissioning menu. Select country and language to select grid type. In this case, US 240 volt. Once selected, tap Set Country and Grid, and confirm. Return to the main menu and select Pairing. Tap Start Pairing. Pairing will take approximately 5 minutes. The PV array will be energized during this time. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation. Tap Done. Device Manager has detected a battery. Select Devices to add. Click Add Selected and continue. SetApp will connect and update the firmware of your battery. Tap Configure. For more information and tips, tap the topics at the top of the page. Tap Start Association. Tap Continue. For more information about the battery self-test, tap the topics at the top of the screen. Tap Start Self-Test and continue. The battery will verify communication, charge, and discharge. After the self-test completes, click Continue to return to the battery settings. From battery settings, you have access to change the basic functions of the battery. To learn more about each function, tap the information guide at the top of the screen. Let's quickly set battery function, enable backup, and set a backup reserve. To access all battery features, return to the main menu and select Power Control, and then select Energy Manager to access advanced features. You can use the icon at the bottom and right of your screen to capture screenshots for installation documentation. We suggest the following. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.